Hi everyone, John Matthews here with Adventure Awaits World Travel, and this week we get to look at Misty Fjords National Monument, which is a spectacular place carved out by glaciers thousands of years ago, which we got to see from Ketchikan, Alaska during our wonderful Alaska cruise. It was just a great experience, and you can see we had a beautiful day. So when you're ready to book your next cruise, contact us and we'll help make your dreams come true. If you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel and sign up for the free Adventure Club emails on our website. Thanks! As I mentioned, we got to see Misty Fjords National Monument on our last excursion during our wonderful Alaska cruise, leaving from Ketchikan on a high-speed twin-hulled ship. You can see how fast we're going, and even still it took 2 hours to get from Ketchikan to the Misty Fjords. We got to see all kinds of beautiful scenery, including that spire which was left behind by volcanic activity thousands of years ago. And thankfully we had a gorgeous day. You can see it's just beautiful clear weather, but sometimes it can be rough and with waves and turbulence. And usually the fjords are misty, obviously rainy. That's why they're named that. There's all kinds of beautiful waterfalls coming down the cliffs that were carved out by the glaciers thousands of years ago, and the waterfalls are from the snowmelt and all the rain in the fjords typically. And you can see it was just a gorgeous day and spectacular fjords. These cliffs that climb straight up that were carved out by the glaciers, and the beautiful blue water and the snow on top of the mountains. And it's quite narrow, and there's all kinds of waterfalls all over the fjord, so just beautiful. After we spent about an hour in the fjords, we headed back towards Ketchikan, another 2-hour ride back to Ketchikan, and got to enjoy more of the beautiful scenery. And on the way back, we saw these islands with seals on them. They were using them to nest and to raise their young. You can see them are on the rocks and the gorgeous mountains in the background. And finally, pulling back into Ketchikan, you can see our ship there, the Majestic Princess, on the left. So when you're ready to book your next cruise, contact us and we'll help make your dreams come true. If you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel and sign up for the free Adventure Club emails on our website. Thanks!